Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to increase battery health in iPhone. Start by enabling low power mode and reducing screen brightness to cut background drain. Turn off unnecessary notifications and background app refresh for apps you rarely use. Unplug charging when it reaches about 80% and avoid deep discharge below 20%. Regularly update iOS for battery management improvements and check battery health in settings for guidance and replacement advice. In this video, I will show how to increase battery health in iPhone. Try charging in short bursts throughout the day instead of one long session to avoid heat buildup. Close background apps you do not use and limit location services for apps that do not need them. Reduce screen timeout and switch to Wi-Fi over cellular when possible to save power. Small daily habits add up to noticeably better battery longevity over months. In this video, I will show how to increase battery health in iPhone. Head to Settings and enable optimized battery charging to reduce time spent at full charge. Use low power mode when you need extra endurance and turn on Wi-Fi calling to cut cellular power use. Lower motion and disable automatic downloads to reduce background work. Regularly check battery health and consider a replacement if maximum capacity falls significantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.